Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum to all my students of class 3. Here I am your SST teacher Miss Tabir Zehra. Now class, today we are going to revise our unit number 2 of SST, and the name of unit number 2 is the world. So the topics which we are going to revise are: what is world, continents of world, oceans, and famous mountains and famous rivers. Now class, first of all we will understand that what is the simple definition of world. So basically our planet Earth in which we are living is called our world. The world has over 190 countries in it, and all the countries are divided by borders. Some of the borders are natural like seas, rivers and mountains, and some of the borders are just imaginary. And some countries has also borders of walls. Now class, here is the map of your world, and you can see there are many countries in our world, and there are different oceans, and there are 7 continents in our world. Now class, this is the map of our beloved country Pakistan, and you can easily see that there are 4 countries which shared border with our Pakistan. Iran, Afghanistan, China and India has border with Pakistan, and also Arabian Sea is also located near Karachi and Gwadar. Now class, let's take some knowledge about continents of world. And class, basic definition of continent is the dry land of our earth is called continent. So basically there are 7 continents in our world. Our world is divided into 7 dry lands. Number 1 is Asia, then Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Australia and Antarctica. There are 7 continents in our world. Now first of all we will study Asia. Asia is the biggest continent of our world. Area wise, there are 48 countries in our continent Asia, and also the highest mountain ranges that are called Himalayas range are also present in Asia. Now class, the second largest continent of our world is Africa. Africa has 54 countries, and Africa is the second most populated continent of our world. And class, there are some seas and oceans located which are located near Africa. And class, the longest river of our world is also present in Africa, and the largest desert of our world, that is Sahara, it is also present in Africa. Now class, come towards the next continent. North America is the third largest continent of our world, and it has 23 countries in it. North America is surrounded by Pacific Ocean, Arctic Ocean and Atlantic Ocean. And class, the most populous country of this continent is Mexico. And class, the richest country of our world, that is USA, United States of America, is also present in North America. Now come towards the next largest continent, and it is called South America. South America is surrounded by Pacific Ocean and Atlantic Ocean, and there are some famous sites and places in South America such as Angels Fall, Amazon River, Amazon River Basin and Atacama Desert. These are the some famous places of South America. Now the next continent of now the next largest continent of our world is Antarctic Ocean, and Antarctica is the ocean which is full of ice and snow. It is the coldest continent of our world, and these are the some famous animals which are present in this continent. Now class, the next continent area wise is Europe. Europe is the world's third most populous continent with almost 50 countries. And class, Russia, which is the largest country of our world, is also present in Europe. And Vatican City, which is the smallest country of our world, is also present in this continent. Now class, move towards the world smallest continent area wise. Australia is the smallest continent of our world, and Australia is also known as Oceania. And there are very famous countries which are present in Australia. And kangaroo and koala are the famous animals of Australia. Now class, move towards water part of our world. As all of you know that continents are the dryland part of our world, and our world is also has water, 71% of water. The water part of our world is divided into five main oceans, and the name of these oceans are Arctic Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Indian Ocean, and Antarctic Ocean. Now class, come towards mountains. There are very famous mountains in our world. Himalaya mountains is present in Asia, and these mountains are the world's highest mountain. Alps mountains are present in Europe. Rockies mountains are situated in North America, and these mountains are situated in South America. Atlas mountain are present in Africa, and Great Dividing Range mountains are present in Australia. Now class, come towards famous rivers of our world. Amazon river is present in South America, and it is the world's largest river. Nile river is situated in Africa, and Nile river is the world's longest river. Mississippi is situated in North America, and it is also the longest river of North America. Volga River is present in Europe, and it is the famous river of Europe. Yangtze River is present in Asia and in China, and it is also our largest river of Asia, this continent Asia. Darling River is present in Australia, and it is also a famous river of this continent. Now class, these are the some other famous rivers. Brahmaputra River, Indus River, Ganges River, these are the some other famous rivers in Thames River is also a famous river of London, and Danube River is also a famous river which is present in Europe. Now class, thank you for your listening and thank you for your watching. We will understand our next topic. We will revise our next unit in our next lecture. Allah Hafiz.